All right, trash kickers. Welcome to the first ever, I think ever, brutal power slave map building tutorials. All right. I don't think there's ever been a power slave. I mean, I've never seen anybody work on power slave. So yeah. So what we're going to start doing first is make a new folder. Okay. And call it new brutal power slave. Okay. And the reason we're going to do this is because my brutal power slave runs like I tried to emulate the best I could the original Power Slave game by Lobotomy Software. And I tried to emulate it the best I could using the GZ Doom engine. Okay. And in the original game, it went by save progress. Okay. So at the end, when you were done playing, like say you had to go to the dentist or something and you had to stop, you had to save, you had to get to the end of a map and save, or else when you turned off your PlayStation or your Sega Saturn, you would have to start over again from the beginning because there was no console to type in what map you go to. There was no cheat codes that I can't remember. I don't remember having even any cheat codes for Power Slave. So I tried to emulate that, and a lot of you guys don't get it, and you're dead set. You call it save scumming, and then that's fine if you want to play it any way you want. But you might be disappointed, starting fist only in every map, because I believe you're going to run into a wall, and then you're going to be all upset. And all I'm going to do is nicely tell you that you didn't follow the instructions. That's all I'm going to say. So, on that note, the reason why I'm starting this tutorial is so that we can build fist only start maps. And it'll be like regular Doom. It's you'll have an intermission telling you your friggin' score, how many you killed, and because I know that's precious to some of you guys. To me, I don't really give a crap. I'm all about surviving. If I live through a map, I'm happy. I don't care if I killed everything or not, but that's fine. But okay, so we're going to start by opening this folder. Okay, it's a blank folder. Come on. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to drag it over here because I'm going to need to copy and paste some things out of my brutal power slave folder. Okay. And what I need is, first thing, you need Doom 2. Because if you don't have Doom 2 or any Doom IWAD, the GZ Doom engine won't run. So that's the only reason why I have this in here, is because to run the engine itself, the source port, because there ain't one darn thing from this WAD in Brutal Power Slave. There's none. It's Brutal Power Slave is its own entity. Its own decorates. It ain't, well, I replaced the shotgun guy with a mummy. No, that ain't how it is. If you build a Power Slave map, you could put a freaking zombie guy in there if you want to be goofy about it, but they're going to look really stupid. Okay. And then we need the GZ Doom PK3 and its executable. Okay. All right. And then I'm going to grab this FModX dynamic link library because I use the OPL synth, or I use the FMod sound device for GZ Doom. Okay. You don't need this. I mean, I only use this because I like OPL synthesizer in case I'm using MIDIs. It makes it sound really cool. It makes it sound original. And then you got to go all the way down. I got to go all the way down here, and I'm going to need the PowerSlave PK3. Okay, now we're set. We can start building maps. Okay. And then I'm going to drag this over here. Okay, now I'm going to open Slade first because we got to get some stuff from the PK3. And I'm going to open the PK3. PowerSlave PK3. Okay. So here we go. Okay, now right here, I'm going to make a new text document. And I'm going to call it, in all capitals, ZMap info. Okay. And that's it right there. Okay, then we're going to go down here to our ZMap info. And I'm going to copy and paste from map 2 all the way up right here. Copy. Paste. Oh, what the fuck? There we go. Paste. Okay. There it is right there. Okay, first things we're going to do is we're going to remove map 1 and title map. Okay, because we don't need that. We're not going to have the title map with the fucking move, with the, the storyline playing like the original did with the movie WAD added. We're not going to do that. We're just going to, and then I'm going to replace this with 1. Okay. And then I'm going to call it Temple of the Gods. Okay, that's going to be our map that we're going to make. And then I'm going to comment it here. So it shows us up in the header when we're opening the map. Okay. Okay, so we want PS Egypt 1 for our music. Okay, we want everything but the air supply. Because I'm going to comment this though, like this. So it'll still be there because we're going to need it later on, or we might not. See, this was for the Mask of Sobek. Okay. I had it set at 1. So if you jumped in the water, as soon as you got in the water, you started dying, like in the original PowerSlave. Okay. And then once you got the Mask of Sobek, you could swim under the water, and you have 20. Then I go back to the default Doom air supply, which is 20 seconds equal. I think that's 255 is the default, and that's 20 seconds. You could be underwater before you start. So we're gonna do that. That's it right here. So then we're gonna save this, and then we're gonna close it out because everything here is already set up. Intermission music, though, we'll change that to, actually, we're going to change that because I want PS over. PS over is we want this sound here. That's what we'll use for our intermission. No, don't. Damn it. I almost exited. It's like I have a bad habit of doing that. Okay. So we want to go back to this and put PS over right here. And our intermission music. PS over. Okay, that's our music. I want to make sure that's what it was. Music PS over. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Okay, we're going to file and save again. Okay. So I think we're set now. We got our title pick, credits, PS title is the title music, 5 ticks or 5 seconds in between the pictures. The credits pick is the lobotomy software logo. Okay. And then if you hit the draw read this true, if you hit the read this, it'll show the Van Ackerson logo. We'll probably still we'll fix this crap because this is like Baphomet from fucking Doom, and we don't want that bitch in there. Okay, so we got our sky, we got our fog. Okay, that's what the fog is. We got to change this to map 2. Okay, so we got, oh, we want an intermission. So we're going to get rid of this. Okay. Now our ZMap info is good to start with, okay? Because we're going to be, I'll show you why we're doing this in a few minutes. Okay, now we're going to close out Slade because we're done with it. Okay, now we're going to start our map. So we're going to go to new map, and we're going to use GZ Doom, Doom 2 UDMF format with ZDoom ACS, of course. Okay, and then for our resources, we're going to pick Doom 2. Oh no, this ain't it. This ain't the right one. This ain't the right, we got to go to new Brutal PowerSlave folder. We're going to pick Doom 2. Okay, we got our Doom, we got our WAD. Okay, now we're going to add another resource, but it's going to be the PK3 itself, and it's going to be PowerSlave. Okay, we're going to add both of these, and then we're going to hit OK. Now we're going to get like 222 errors here, and that's fine. It doesn't mean shit. You'll be chasing ghosts trying to get rid of them because they're going to be gone anyway. Watch. They won't even exist. We're going to make a room here 256 by 256 by 256 high. Okay. 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 Then what we're going to do is we're going to make the ceiling F sky. Oops. F sky 1. And the bottom where I made a development texture. Okay. There it is. Okay. And I just do this to start. All right. It's just dinging because it still goes by the original Doom rules where you can't put a friggin' floor on a wall. You know how it was until it was Doom 2, then you could. Or, and then the sky. Okay. Now we're going to put a guy here and we're going to play it just so you can see and hear the music. It's going to be PS over because it's going by the map info inside the PK3. Okay. So right now we're gonna adjust our display to 11. See, right now it's even showing it's map room 1. Oh, I didn't do it. What the hell? Yeah, I did. That don't make no sense. Oh, okay, I got it. I know what's going on. Okay. I got to put the HUD message in there too when we build the map. So that's what we're going to do right now. Cancel. Okay, we're going to do this right now. First, I'm going to miminize this a little bit. Come on, God damn it. Where the fuck is it? Oh, it's over here. Of course, I got to do this number because it's stupid. And I'm going to open. I got in my external drive, I have the original folder for PowerSlave. And I have what I'm going to do here. I got my scripts, okay? And I'm going to copy this and put it in our new Brutal PowerSlave folder. So I don't have to keep fucking going back and forth. Okay, there's our scripts. Okay. Now I got to freaking close this out. Go back in here. Open up our scripts. Okay, so which one is it? HUD message. There it is. See, this is what we got to do, the auto map bar. Okay. Yeah, I made this video before, but I missed a bunch of shit, so I decided just to redo it. Okay, so we got to minimize that. This is such a pain in the ass sometimes. I just want you to see it. 15 minutes in. Okay. Come on, damn it. All right, so we're going to paste. Okay, that's our auto map credit message, okay? Then we're going to complete one. What's the fucking error? This is fucking dumb. I got to find the error. It's such a bitch, too. There it is. Come on. Show me the fucking error. This is fucking stupid. I don't know what the fucking error is because it won't show me. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is. Haha, that's fucking hilarious. Come on, god damn it. Fucking stupid. Yeah, I forgot to do this. Tried to make the video shorter. It's going to be just as fucking long. It's fucking hilarious, man. Stupid. It's going to be just as long, but oh well. It'll have shit in it that I missed. Okay, we'll try it again and show you what I did. Okay, yeah. See, now it has the instead of saying please adjust the screen, and we're gonna have to do that for every map because it gets rid of that. Please adjust the screen to 11. Okay, we're gonna save this. And then we're gonna clear these errors, and then we're gonna exit. Okay, and then we're gonna go back into Slade, and I'm gonna show you why. Okay, first things first. We got to come down here, and all these maps got to go bye-bye. And make sure this is a copy you're messing with and not the only one you have, because you're going to, I mean, the worst case scenario, you could still, even if you destroy it, you can re-download it, but you want to get rid of all these because we don't need them. Yes, all 95. Okay, then we're going to go to ZMap info. And we're going to fucking delete this whole thing. Go all the way to the top, delete. And then go to this one. And then you're going to do this. You're going to copy and paste. Okay, there we go. There's our CMAP info. Temple of the Gods. Okay, it's level number 1, actually. That would have been a fuck up there. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're just going to go back to skies because it's not the right sky that I want. So we're going to go to textures and come down to here to skies. Actually, it is sky 1 is what I want. Yeah, that'll be fine right there. That's cool. I just wanted to make sure. Okay. Okay, now we're going to go to language. Right here. And we're going to get rid of all these too, except for the first one. We'll delete that one. We're going to delete the title map. And this one's good. And then we're going to call it Temple of the Gods in all caps. And this is just a startup video. And I'm going to use a small G. Yeah, okay. I guess it doesn't matter. I know God is God, and it's just a title, so the hell with it. I'm just going to Temple of the Gods, and then we'll copy and paste this here into the comment. All right, then we're going to save it. Okay, now I'll show you why this is why we're doing this. Okay, I'm going to exit it again, and then we're going to open up our folder, our new folder, and you're going to select map 1, PowerSlave, Doom 2, and then drag all 3 and onto GZ Doom to start the map. And now it'll be totally different. Uh-oh.
Van Ackerson, computer.
I know why it's doing it. Because I never, damn it. I never freaking configured it for, yeah. It's okay. I'll fix it right now. I forgot to do something. Okay, we gotta configure it for that folder. It's still running out of the other folder. See, it's running out of Raging and Rampaging, and that ain't how it works. Okay, I want it in right there. Okay, I might have started it wrong too. I might have started it wrong. I might have went in the wrong order. Maybe I got to do PowerSlave, then Map 1, then Doom 2, then this. No, it's still fucked up.
Van Ackerson, computer games.
I don't get it. All right, we're going back into Slade. I might have fucked up. Oh, I know what I did. I know what I did. I did the wrong PowerSlave. No, I didn't. I did the right one. New PowerSlave. No, Brutal PowerSlave. Yeah, I did the wrong one. Damn it. I did the wrong one. That's why it's doing that. I did the one over here. My dumbass. So I got to swap them out. Fucking stupid. I got to swap them out. Might as well fucking delete that because that's going to fuck it up. We're going to cut and paste it onto the desktop. Then we're going to take this one and put this one back where it belongs. Cut. Paste. Yeah, I fucked up. It's a small little fuck up. No big deal. And then put this one back in. Okay, now it should work. So we're going to map 1, Doom 2, GZ Doom. Now it should start right. Should have a fucking map title. And I got the resolution. Got to be 1024 by 768. Okay, and then okay. All right, now it's starting correctly. This is what we want. We want it like Doom 2. All right, turn the music down because it's fucking loud. Okay, new game. And it should be our map that we started making. Yep. I still got a screenshot. It's every time when you set it somewhere else, you gotta reconfigure it. So I might as well do the controls too because it's gonna be different. Yep, look at that. Okay, we'll ace all these. Plus, I wanted to try using the mouse wheel. I'm going to try using the mouse wheel for. Actually, there is a. You can save it. I'll show you. A lot of you might, all you Palestinian lovers might not like this, but I don't care. Oh, it didn't. Huh. Offend. What's the offend button? H. That's it.
Fuck you, you anti-Semite. Fuck the ceasefire. Go Israel! Palestine isn't even a real country. Palestine isn't even a real country.
Yeah, fuck you, Palestine. Okay, we'll go and we'll go to our Temple of the Gods, map 1. This is great. Okay. Well, all right, guys. That's our opening video for building our maps. Okay, that's the start. You get that? I'll go in the next video, which is coming fairly soon. We'll start building. All right, guys. Stavi out.